Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious hummus by hand. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of creamy tahini. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water to achieve the perfect consistency. These fresh components are key to a vibrant flavor. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. Start by peeling and finely mincing your 2 garlic cloves. This ensures their flavor is well distributed. For an extra smooth hummus, gently rub the chickpeas between your hands to remove their thin skins. This step is optional but makes a noticeable difference in texture. Then, in your food processor, combine the fresh lemon juice, tahini, and minced garlic. This creates a flavorful base for your hummus. It's time to bring everything together. Add your prepared chickpeas and the 1/2 teaspoon of salt to the food processor with the tahini mixture. Begin blending, and as it processes, slowly drizzle in the 2 tablespoons of water. This helps achieve that wonderfully creamy consistency. Pause occasionally to scrape down the sides of the bowl, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly incorporated. Continue blending until your hummus is perfectly smooth and light. Your homemade hummus is ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl, drizzle with a little olive oil, and sprinkle with paprika for a beautiful finish. It's perfect with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread. For storing, place any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. And hey, if you're looking for great ways to store your delicious creations, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals. Enjoy your fresh, homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.